I mean, hold on, Derek. Oh. I was just.
Come on, Scooter. Let him try to get a picture too, honey. You trying to get there?
I was just trying to video it, but it might not let me video what's on the phone. Yeah, it's a little toy one. Derek said to tell you hi.
Oh, hi, Derek.
Hi, Derek. Where do I do this to make it quit?
Just wherever we can get the term stop. I need to put a new one in, Sammy.
You just need a new washer on. What's Ronnie and Donnie done? Ronnie's in bed and
Yep.
Don's probably in bed too.
Yep.
Outside.
Yeehaw.
Yeah, I'll look at that deal and I'll send you a text on how much that is. I mean, you know what yours would have been at Allstate.
You match, baby girl. You should match, baby girl. Yes, you is.
Yeah, here in a day or two I'll give you that when you come over and get your mail or you get your stuff. Okay, those packages are out in the barn. There's 2 packages for you out there, but I got your mail in my truck. Part of it, but I'll get that title and sign it too, and that way you can get it changed over and put it in your name. Yeah, I think it's $1. Send to his family. But, alright. Alright. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye. Bye.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're gonna have to wait a
video
minute.
with, wouldn't let me video with him on